Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and well, it is official now. We made a video quite a few months back, believe not last year, and there were rumors that Chrome OS and that Android would merge at some point. So Chrome OS being based much more on the Chromium project and the browsing of Google Chrome, um, of course, does have part of its system that it shares with Android. And what happens is that both were developed as very unique, different things, even though there were central points where they were actually close together. Now, if you look at Apple iOS and iPadOS are much closer to macOS than people might imagine. And this makes for development of all sorts of things, apps and hardware much better. So to add for the efficiency of all of it, the operating system, Android and Chrome OS are merging into one single operating system. So this is going to be interesting to see how it changes the landscape of Chromebooks, and how the merge also will help basically have things from Android coming over to your Chromebook easily, because they're pretty much the same, working the same way. This is definitely going to be interesting. I don't know what that will have as an impact for Chrome OS Flex, for example, as a project. And it will definitely, I think, make decision making and new apps, new features, new hardware, maybe better, faster, and operate, I think, a lot better. Most of the questions I get when I posted my videos on Chrome OS is a lot about, well, does the Google Play Store work, and can I have Android, and what can happen. And for the most part, a lot of Chromebooks do not have access to the Google Play Store because it's not the same. So this would unify all of that into one big operating system for pretty much everything. So this will be interesting. We'll see what comes out of this. But now it's official. Google did announce it. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.